hura. So mo ni ako ang ampalaya karon nga gi-harvest. Kaya na ako ibayar nga kaming ari siya kay pulito niya ni balik 10 bucks. Mo ni $10. So kini ang ampalaya. And then I have like this one. I don't know kung will last ni longer, but I don't think so. This is like tiny ampalaya, pero I don't know kung mag-grow pa sila. So I think this is the last harvest that I have to make soon or tomorrow or the next day. So we'll see. And then I'm so happy sa ako ang garden karon this year. Like I'm so blessed for everything na harvest na ako. Kaya daghan kay kong na-harvest. And aside from ampalaya, nag-harvest kong okra, napakoy carrots, napakoy luya, napakoy mga tangad, napakoy atsal. So I have a lot of stuff in my garden, different kind of stuff. So nakoy lagbati, nakoy kangkong. So different. And I'm so blessed and happy this year kay daghan kong harvest. And thank you guys sa support and sa pagkanunay nga nag-watch nako. Salamat kayo. I hope naka-inspire